Hello and welcome to Behind the Boot. We hope you're having a great day wherever you are. This is Boots and this is my grandpa, Bob. And I'm learning how to play ukulele and I'm not that good yet, but we've been having a little bit of a holiday sing-song and we're going to play you a song. Right, Grandpa?
Absolutely.
Yeah, this is our debut performance.
Oh,
It's an oldie, but a goodie. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me... I'm not very good at finding the first note. Okay, we got it.
Oh dear.
Okay, we got this. Let me call you sweetheart. I'm in love